Is your budget $500,000 to buy a house in Knoxville? Come check it out. It's ready for you to move in. Beautiful hardwood floors, beautiful state-of-the-art appliances. It has an upstairs and downstairs living area. Just take a look. In the main level, right off the kitchen, you do have a breakfast area that you can spend your morning having your coffee. Right off your living room, you do have a sunroom, and you also have a formal dining room. This 3,400 square feet condo in the Lakemoor Village area, it's about 10 minutes to downtown, about 5 minutes to UT campus, and about 15 minutes to McGhee Tyson Airport. The master bedroom has a walk-in shower, and as you can see, all of the closets do have a built-in shelving. Here in the downstairs, you can see another bedroom and a full bathroom. Another living area that can be used as a game room maybe, and a lot of storage in the back of the house. The beautiful screened-in porch has a turf area for your pets to enjoy. You have seen all of the features and all of the upgrades in this home. If you do have any other questions or would you like to schedule your tour, just give me a call.